Welcome to another episode of Flex Does DIY. So today we're installing this bad boy. We're gonna put it outside. It's a washing line. It's 15 meters extendable, I believe. So it's got a couple of hooks. I've not even opened it yet, so let's do a quick opening. There we go. Got all the bits and bobs. And here's the bad boy itself. So yeah, let's just get into the installation. I believe it's a quick process. Yeah, just a couple of hooks in the back and it should be good. So we're gonna hook it in here and in there. Anyway, let's go.